Hello, everybody. Valentin Todorow from Elire here. Today, we're going to look at the AI Agent Studio marketplace and how we can actually consume and leverage the great templates the Oracle Partner Network is delivering. So we're in the AI Agent Studio right now in the home page. Again, you'll notice that we have the AI agents provided by Oracle, and we have this new marketplace tile here at the top. We're going to switch to that, and here you can see all of the marketplace templates that are now available. Okay, for any of these, we can actually click on the info icon right here to view the details of it, so you can understand, further description of exactly how it works, the tools that are being called, be them external tools. These are deep link tools that go to a specific component or business objects. Okay. If you are happy with the overall scope of that specific template, what you can do is leverage it. So we can go in here and we can click create. And what this is going to create is all of the objects, be them agent teams, agent tools, topics, deep links. They all will be created after you click the create. It's going to take you to the agent team level in a second. And here you can see the overall structure of this agent team. Okay. It's created the definition. So right now, if we toggle back to our agent team, you'll actually see that inventory replenishment analyzer is one of the agent teams, along with the various tools. So within here, within the worker agents, you'll actually see that we have things like calculator, get session user, get planning data. Those were also spun up and built within the tools themselves. So we can always go to get planning data. You will see here in tools that we actually do have get planning data. And there we go. So it created it on today's date. So that copy create does that in one foul swoop. Okay. Okay, we're going to switch back to the agent team now, and here we can actually see the overall structure. So this specific template, inventory replenishment analyzer, is a supervisor workflow type, meaning that we have an overall agent team supervisor that's then calling specific worker agents, which are defined right here with their various tools and topics. Each of these worker agents, of course, has a specific scope, be it a persona and a prompt, okay, that govern how it uses its specific tools and topics. Okay, it's all spelled out within the prompt. Both the input and output are also defined. And the output could be, of course, specified as a spec, or you can have a property-based output from each of these agents. The agents themselves, again, have the tools and topics. The orchestrator at the top level also has a prompt, which gives it agency over its specific tools, i.e. worker agents that it then calls. And because this is now part of your specific Fusion AI Agent Studio, you have the capability to alter it and manipulate it as you see fit. As you can see, everything here is editable. You can even switch providers and choose a different LLM for your brain for the operation, and different summarization if you do have a very specific way you want the output to be presented to the end user. Okay, and there you have it. You can immediately publish this. I would suggest that you play this in the debug mode initially, which is going to bring up the chat, and then you can start asking it any inventory questions at that time. Okay, and then you can publish it. You can go and leverage it in a page, put it on a journey if you choose to, or use the me and then AI chat capability on the homepage and interact with that specific agent. Hopefully this video was useful, and you now can grab any kind of agent from the marketplace, deploy it, and leverage it out of the box. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.